Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to rename stadium name in MLB The Show 26. So if you want to change or rename the stadium name, then it's actually very easy. All we have to do is firstly go to the top right and then select create. Then we need to go to stadium creator. After that we should be able to find all of the stadiums we have created here, and if you haven't created one, then just select this plus icon and start creating your stadium. But I want to change my existing stadium name. For that I just need to select the stadium which I want to change name of. After that it will open the stadium editor. In this editor we just have to hold down RB on Xbox or R1 on PlayStation, then it will open this wheel. Now just use your left stick to choose this stadium properties menu and then release the key. After that it will open the stadium properties. From this window we just have to select the first option, which is stadium name. Now you can just type in the name you want to use now. So let's say I just want to type LLE, then I can just type that here, then hit enter and the name for your stadium will be changed. After that we just need to select confirm. Now to save this stadium, press options button on PlayStation or menu button on Xbox to open this panel, then select save changes. After that it will ask you to choose your save slot, or if you want to overwrite a file, then just select your existing stadium and then you can overwrite the stadium like so. Now if I go back to the stadium menu, you can see the name of the stadium has been changed to LLE. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.